ka jingkala ka sun beneng lane ka climate change kala long ka way na kipang balashim kya ka Rotary Club International hane ka singi kumshipanta jong ka ne ka thong trikam ka Rotary Club of Jowai bat ka Rotary Club Orchid City Shillong kala Sdang ya ka projek Hariyali ne ka jingtung ding na ka bayo jingirap na ka Mahindra Finance ha St. Paul Secondary School Mookadwan Hakan ka singila don ka jingalang balapanya da USK Latu President Berem ka Rotary Club of Jowai ubala airu ki kentien lamphang da ka ba uong ba ka jingtung ding kalalong ka way na kimat bala shimkhya bha ka club ha ka bala penlong da jingtung ding ha kle tershi West Giant Hills bat ha lom thang ka kle tershi kumjoru ha Bishop House lom bi sentu mi mentedu
as member of this global community, what we can do. Recalling back as a Rotarian, it's our responsibility to improve the environment because in Rotary Club, environment is one of the important vertical activities that we have to do. If we look around, as a citizen of this country even, to improve, to protect and improve the environment is our citizens' responsibility. If you read Article 51AG, it says clearly, it is the responsibility of every citizen of this country to protect and improve the environment, including forests, lakes, whatever, you know. It's there already, and there are many other areas within our constitution where it tells us what we need to do on environment. You know? And as a tribal people,
for future, I would also further add plan for future, PLANT, and then PLAN also, plan for future. There are three words. Trees for future, plant, T for future, and PLAN, plan for future. Unless these three things work together, I think there is no future hope. Because why all these things happening? Because we ourselves were digging our own graves. See, we are digging our own graves. What do? So much of industrialization, unsustained kind of mining is taking place. Nobody cares. Now see, why only few of us out of what is the population of Meghalaya now? 39 lakhs? 37 lakhs? Why only few of us are gathering here to plant trees? It's a such state of affair. Nobody cares. Nobody bothers. But now few of us who are really bothered, let's take it to the next level. Let's do trees for future, plan for future, and plan for our future. With this